Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show market depth on MetaTrader 5. Understanding market depth can be crucial, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. It provides a transparent view of where the buyers and sellers are positioned and can aid you in making strategic trading decisions. So let's walk through the process and dive into the details. When used correctly, market depth can help you see not only the current price, but also the levels where trading activity may be building up. First, let's focus on the initial building block, the Market Watch. You'll find it conveniently located on the left side of your MetaTrader 5 interface. The Market Watch window is essentially your shortcut to viewing a range of trading symbols and their key prices. It's an essential tool for monitoring the financial markets in real time. If you don't see it, your Market Watch window might be hidden or minimized, so just ensure it's visible, as it will be your starting point for accessing market depth. This is also where you can quickly switch between different instruments, which is helpful if you trade multiple forex pairs, stocks, indices, or commodities. Next, you'll want to identify a specific symbol you're interested in. This symbol represents the asset classes you wish to analyze, such as forex pairs, stocks, or commodities. Now, move your cursor and right-click directly on the symbol of interest. This action will trigger a context menu, offering you a variety of options. The right-click function is an intuitive gateway to more detailed information and is instrumental in accessing the market depth feature quickly and efficiently. Before opening the tool, make sure you are selecting the correct symbol, because market depth data is specific to that particular market. From this context menu, your eyes should seek out and zero in on the option labeled Depth of Market. Click on it. This command acts like a key, unlocking a specialized window where you'll gain insights into the market's depth. The Depth of Market, or DOM, is essentially a tool that visually represents the number of buy and sell orders at different price levels. It's a dynamic indication of liquidity and the intensity of open orders on either side of the market. In simple terms, it gives you a closer look at where buyers may be waiting to buy and where sellers may be waiting to sell. The Depth of Market window will now appear, showcasing a list of price levels with corresponding order sizes. For a trader, this visual graph is invaluable because it highlights the levels at which large orders are concentrated, indicating potential areas of support or resistance. By analyzing this information, you can strategically plan your entry or exit points, improve your timing, and potentially optimize your trades. For example, if you notice a large amount of buy interest near a certain price level, that area may act as short-term support, while a large concentration of sell orders may suggest possible resistance. Remember, market depth in MetaTrader 5 is a live feature, so the data you see reflects the current market conditions. Keep an eye on any rapid changes that could signify shifts in market sentiment or volatility. Familiarizing yourself with the ebb and flow displayed within the DOM can help you identify patterns and trends that others might not notice. However, it is always a good idea to use market depth together with your normal analysis, such as price action, support and resistance, trend direction, and risk management. As we conclude, I encourage you, especially if you're new to trading, to spend some time exploring the market depth tool. Practice honing your ability to interpret the flow of orders and use it to inform your trading strategies. This feature, though simple to access, opens a world of deeper market understanding. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey with MetaTrader 5. The more familiar you become with how buyers and sellers appear in the Depth of Market window, the more confident you can become when planning your trades and understanding real-time market movement.